What makes learning truly effective?
Practical relevance, interactivity, didactics, and modern skills. This combination strengthens exactly the skills that are needed today and tomorrow.
This is exactly what defines the Bertrandt Academy.
We bring together the know-how of around 12,000 experts from different fields such as automotive, aviation, mechanical engineering, and soft skills. Combined with our interdisciplinary learning expertise in psychology, didactics, pedagogy, design, and training, we turn practical know-how into learning offerings that truly work and can be applied right away, in day-to-day work, on the team, on the project.
How does the Bertrandt Academy reach different target audiences?
With modular concepts, multilingualism, interactivity, and a wide range of methods, we shape learning so it delivers real added value for every audience and is also fun along the way. From development to the workshop floor and all the way to after sales, whether it's basic, advanced, or expert knowledge. Our training formats range from microlearning to e-learning and live online training, all the way to in-person and blended learning concepts.
How does the Bertrandt Academy ensure the quality of its trainings?
Our trainings are first piloted internally, carefully evaluated, and continuously improved, always in step with the latest technologies and trends.
What added value does the Bertrandt Academy offer you?
With flexibility,
many years of experience,
and a strong team,
we develop exactly the learning solutions that meet your needs.
are you looking for a specific ready-made training? We have trainings that are ready to use right away for you.
Would you like a custom development solution for your employees? We offer tailored learning paths that perfectly combine technical training with personal skills development training, exactly aligned with the requirements of current job descriptions.
Would you like a custom learning concept or training tailored to your needs? We develop it for you and with you. Along the way, we provide consulting support, or we bring your idea to life from the concept all the way to the finished training programs.
Do you already have a ready-made training, but you're missing the person to deliver it? Our experienced trainers are happy to take that on and ensure a professional, effective delivery.
We look forward to seeing you. Bertrandt Academy, learning from hands-on experience for hands-on use.